If you're encountering the incident not found error on FireHydrant 2026, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix the problem effectively. Step 1. Check incident ID. Verify that the incident ID you are using is correct. Sometimes, a simple typo can lead to this error. Double check the ID for any mistakes. Step 2. Refresh the page. Sometimes the issue may be temporary. Refresh the page to see if the incident appears after a reload. This can help clear any minor glitches. Step 3. Clear browser cache. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SRUC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Verify user permissions. Ensure that you have the necessary permissions to view the incident. If you lack the required access, contact your administrator to grant you the appropriate permissions. Step 5. Contact support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to FireHydrant support. Provide them with details about the issue, including the incident ID and any error messages you received. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the incident not found error on FireHydrant 2026. If the problem persists, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from support.